Hey everyone, do you want to turn your ideas into professional videos and also within few minutes only? So this is incredible. Today I'm excited to show you an AI tool called Fliki. This is an AI powered video generator actually that can transform text and your ideas and a lot of other things like blog and other things. But in this video we are gonna discuss about how you can turn your ideas into videos and with lifelike voiceovers. This is also most important thing. So whether you are a content creator or educator or marketer, so this tool is perfect for you. So let's dive in and see how it works. So here you can see fliki.ai. You can navigate to this website and here you can see start for free and even credit card not required. So once you are here, you can continue with Google, with Apple or with email. So I will start with email and we will type our email here. Next, and send verification code. So we need to type code here. So once we type code here, we will go to the email and copy and paste the code here. So once we type the code here, it will say email verified successfully. Now you can type your password here and you can enter your name here. Then click on finish. Now you can see it is asking about two things like a small short survey. What is your background? Like, I'm a content creator and what do you want to create with Fliki? Like courses, training videos, YouTube, Instagram videos, product videos, AI voiceovers, marketing videos, business and corporate videos or others. So we will go with course training videos for instance. Now here you can see some tutorials also will appear and choose a workflow or start with an empty file. So here are some workflows including ideas, script, URL, PPT and edit, record, empty, and some audio also options. So you can transform your ideas into stunning videos. So in this video actually we are going to discuss about how we can transform our ideas into stunning videos. In future, in upcoming videos, near future, I will also show how we can convert these things, but for in this video we will see about the idea prompt. So we will click this one. Now this is the first step, idea prompt to video. So like I will type something about related to educational video, prompts. This is for learning in tutorials. This is the example. You can see motivating video on the benefits of eating healthy diet and exercising. But I will type here like create a visually appealing educational video about the solar system and some instructions like use engaging animations, AI voice narration and dynamic text overlays to explain planets, their orbits and unique characteristics. Duration like 1 minute. Additional resources, if you want to upload you can upload, and it support like .pdf files, .txt and up to 1 file and 5 MB. But next now here you can select this landscape. You can select from these templates also, and if you skip this option like, and now language English, dialect like United States, US, tone it should be educational, purpose education, and audience like students, and click on next. And now you can see it is generating the content like paragraphs and headings including H1, H2. This is 2 minutes of content, and click on next. Now stock media, auto pick videos or images from stock library. For scenes voice over you can select for example this one, so you can
Fliki helps you create audio.
listen first and then you can select it and then you click on submit and the processing will start and your file is being created, so please wait. It's up to you. In the second step you could select also the template, so instead of like this option you can select that option or this one also. So you can see now this is the
Explore
first
the cosmos,
scene.
your solar.
So you can see this is the first scene, scene 2, scene 3, a lot of things here, and we check
System guide.
with
Ever
voice
wondered what's
also.
beyond our
See,
blue planet? Buckle up, because we're about to take a whirlwind tour of our solar system. Get ready for cosmic wonders and mind-blowing facts. Our solar system is home to 8 amazing planets, each with its own personality. From scorching hot Venus to icy Neptune, each message to even future life. Planets don't just float around randomly.
see how amazingly and incredibly professional, how amazingly this tool has created this video, and we can download it, and it's amazing. Honestly speaking, it's amazing. So here you can see this is my account, so I have usage. The usage I have used like 2/5 minutes because it allows 5 minutes, then you can upgrade your plan to standard or premium. So it's amazing, honestly speaking, amazing. So now one more we see like idea prompt, and this time I will ask like for example 30-second about YouTube short about 3 mind blowing facts about space with the fast transitions, engaging visuals and text highlights. The video should be energetic and optimized for mobile viewing. So here you can see duration 30 seconds and next. Now here we can select portrait, for example, says size. So portrait we can select, and even here some examples, so we can also select these examples.
Sometimes
for
all we-
example. So this for example and next, and same thing like energetic, and this is for social media and mobile users. Next, it's generating script now, space facts, because it's I ask this tool about 3 facts. You can see the fact number 1, diamond rain, a planet made of diamond and space is silent. So these are the 3 facts. Now click on next, processing and voice over. If you want to change, you can change, and then click on submit. So the processing is start, and you can see how quickly it will generate the 30 seconds video. So your file is being created, please wait. Definitely we will wait. Amazing. So you can see 30 seconds
Space facts that will blow your mind.
30 seconds YouTube short video. Now we can upload it in Instagram, Facebook Reels, and the YouTube Shorts. You can see if I play the video.
Space facts that will blow your mind. Mind blown. Ready to have your universe rocked? Get ready for 3 mind-blowing space facts that'll make you question everything.
Perfect.
Let's dive in. Did you know it rains diamonds on Neptune and Uranus? Intense pressure turns carbon atoms into sparkling diamonds that literally fall from the sky. Imagine the bling. This is due to the extreme pressure and temperature conditions on these ice giant planets. Methane breaks down, releasing carbon which then compresses into diamond structures. Speaking of diamonds, there's a planet twice the size of Earth made almost entirely of diamond. It's called...
So it's amazing. Honestly speaking, it's amazing, and it's perfect. So how quickly you can download, as you know now, YouTube and Instagram also allows up to 3 minutes shorts you can upload. So this one, it's up to you, like if you want to upload 1 minute or 1 minute and half, like 30 seconds, so you can upload. And this is amazing. You can download it and you can use it in your projects. So I hope you have learned a lot in this video and how you can turn your idea into stunning videos with Fliki. This is the AI video generator with Lifelike Voiceovers. So please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends. Press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.